Hey, it's Steve the Cat Drawing Guy from IWantToDrawACatForYou.com, and today I'm drawing a cat from Anastasia to Matt. So to Matt. Matt, you're getting cat number 17,334. And Anastasia wanted a cat hanging out next to his Audi S4. So here is Matt. You love your car so much you even have an Audi shirt. And here is your car. Behind you, those nice Audi tires. And it says Audi S4 on it. Look at that beautiful car. And you are saying, I love Shark Tank. So there you have it, Matt. It's you with your Audi S4 from Anastasia. I'm going to get this off to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.